Okay, where? It's right there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, where was it? How did a bird get in here?
It was in the stove.
Oh.
I thought it was like a freaking mouse or something.
Ah! Danielle, I can't grab it. I can't grab it. I can't grab it.
Get away.
I can't grab it. I can't do it.
I'm scared.
Oh. Okay, come on, buddy. Maybe I can grab it. What if it bites? I'm scared. Okay.
I'm never scared.
Okay.
I'm never scared of boats, even when it's not.
Charlie, you got. God
It
damn.
didn't even bite me.
Can you hold it. Okay, go. Let me see. Come here, buddy.
I'm never scared.
Come here, buddy. Don't bite me. It's okay. Let me help you. Okay. Come here, buddy. It's okay. Wait, let me grab it. Okay, I'll grab it. No, Charlie. I'm sorry. Oh no, now I feel bad. It's okay. Come here. No, Charlie.
Open the door.